Hello friends, I am immigration attorney Amaro Lopez from the law offices of King, Cordova, Pascual and Associates in Wisconsin, and today I want to talk to you about how to check the status of your case with USCIS. So the first thing we will need in order to check the status of your case with USCIS is a receipt number. The first thing you should have received from USCIS after you submitted your application is a receipt from them, a receipt notice. And here it is a copy of one. In this case, the type of receipt notice is for a fiancé visa. And what we're looking for is this third line right here that says receipt number. You see that number WAC 1990 3030 83. That's the number we will need to check the status of your case. Now, most USCIS notices begin with 3 letters and then a series of numbers. It's not always WAC. It can also be LIN and then numbers, or SRC and then numbers, EAC and then numbers, or IOE and then numbers. In this case, it just happens to be WAC. So with this receipt number, we go to your browser, and then you go up here to your browser, and all you have to type is uscis.gov. You go to the main website for USCIS, and as you can see, here's the website. You need to scroll down just a little bit to this part right here in the middle that says check case status. That's where you're gonna click. So we click there, and it brings you to this page, case status online, and then it's asking you to enter in this rectangle in the middle the receipt number for your case. And again, just as a reminder, it's right here, the receipt number, WAC 1990 3030 83. So we put that in, WAC. Now notice down here that other numbers populated, that's just numbers for other cases that I have entered. In your case, more than likely you will not have that unless you have a lot of cases with immigration. So WAC 1990 3030 83. We check status. In this case, this was a case that was denied, and you can see on the top, immigration tells you what's the status of your case. In this case, back on February 18th, 2020, the application for a fiancé visa was denied. The second thing they tell you is that they sent you a denial notice telling you why it was denied and what options you have. The third thing it tells you is to follow the instructions in that notice in order to do anything if you have to, or maybe not. And then, very important here, at the end they tell you if you did not receive your denial notice by a future date, in this case March 4th, you need to go to their website and request a copy of the notice. This is why it's very important to always have your address up to date with immigration, so any notices they send you, you receive them in a timely manner. And then at the end they tell you that if you move, you can change your address down here, and here's the link to change the address. Now let's look at another one of those notices that I had here. So this one was a denial of a fiancé visa. So let's go look at something else. WAC, let's look at this one, 162310 0309. This is a notice about a legal permanent residency card, and this is after somebody applied for adjustment of status and they were approved, and then here is telling them that on December 17th the post office delivered your new card, and this is the receipt number, to the address that you gave us, and they give you a tracking number, and then you can use that to track the card. And then lastly, let's look at one more receipt number here. Let's look at this one, WAC 17345 00047. Oh, that's the one we just looked at. Let's go back. WAC, let's just look at the second one, 1490. Okay, this is another case. It was also a fiancé visa. In this case, after USCIS approved the I-129F and sent it to the National Visa Center, it's one of those few cases where the Department of State or the National Visa Center sent the case back to USCIS. So here it's telling us that on this date, May 9th, 2017, the Department of State sent us your case for review. They are reviewing it and they will notify you by mail when they are done. And again, follow the instructions in the notice. And if you move, keep your address with USCIS up to date. Happy to say that this case, the person is already a legal permanent resident. So this is how you check your status with USCIS. Very simple. You get your receipt number. You go to your browser. You go to your browser. Once in your browser, you go to uscis.gov. You scroll down to check case status. You click on that. You enter your case number. And you read your status. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in a comment below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Please don't forget to leave a like and to subscribe so you can be alerted of further videos. Thank you and have a great day.